Good morning. Little store. No taxi. No taxi. No taxi. Do a little exploring, you guys. See people coming from back here, so just decided to walk back here and see what the heck is going on. Ooh, you don't want to fall into that. Oh, that looks nasty. We got some shops and stores and stuff back here. What's an eatery? Sorry store. Good morning. Good morning. Ooh, a lot of little food and stuff back here. Ooh, I like tomatoes. Ooh, that looks good. Is that salad?
Pepino.
Oh, I don't know what that is, but it sounds good. What's your name?
Jerry.
Jerry? Bernard. Just looking around. Video. Check out my channel. More houses back there. Like and subscribe. Like, share, subscribe. Been there, done that. Travel. You guys don't want to get too far away. I got to Good morning.
Morning.
Yeah, the weather's pretty good here. It's not as humid, and morning. Yep. Hey. How you doing? Good morning.
Good morning.
Huh? Video vlogger. You the man. Like and subscribe. What's your name?
Ray.
Ray? Bernard. Nice to meet you. All right.
Glad to meet you.
Pleasure is all mine. Good morning. Yeah, just walking, enjoying, just sightseeing a little bit this morning. People down here, this area, all over the Philippines are very friendly, very helpful, good people. Good morning.
Good morning.
How y'all doing this morning? Good, good. I can see why so many people, expats, have chose to retire here because
Hello, good
hey,
morning.
good morning. How y'all doing?
Yeah.
All right. Cooking? What you cooking? You say you cooking?
Well,
Oh, you talking about me?
No.
Oh, what you say about me?
What's that?
It's a camera. You on camera. Say your name. Say hi.
Hello.
Alrighty. I'm on YouTube, and you can like and subscribe. That's our video channel. It's been there. Huh? Me?
You're a missionary, yes?
No.
You are always roaming around.
Yeah, just roaming, just talking to people, meeting new people, nice people. What's your name?
My name is Lola Becky.
Lola Becky. Bernard. Nice to meet you, Lola.
I'm 80 years old.
Now that's a blessing.
Yes.
Yeah. I hope I have a long and prosperous life like that. You're 80.
Yes.
Wow, that's good. That's good. Somebody's family here. It's your
We are relatives.
relatives? Okay, so sister, mother? Ah, see, I got it. I'm good. All righty. Well, we just came in from Cebu.
You are from
I'm from California.
California.
Yeah, but we're in Cebu. We're in Cebu, but my fiance has family down here, so we came down here. We just got off the ship, and then we're gonna be here for a few days, and then we go back to Cebu. Then we go back to Cebu. Well, it's nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
And I didn't get your name. I didn't know what's your name.
My name?
Oh, okay. Nice to meet you.
I'm
Bernard.
Arlene.
Arlene. Okay. And you guys are gonna see yourself on this channel if that's okay. Just go to YouTube.
Natelevise na ta.
It's nice meeting you.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Bye bye.
Good morning.